2023 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro offers an attention-grabbing package aimed at families seeking both off-road capability and style, although it comes with a hefty price tag. This iteration of the Sequoia boasts bold features like fender flares, chunky tires, and striking paint options, garnering attention and online admiration. Beyond its looks, it's designed to accommodate 7 passengers and excel in various situations. Equipped with a hybrid twin-turbo V6 engine, the Sequoia TRD Pro combines power and towing capacity, making it a versatile option for those needing a robust family hauler. It offers an impressive combination of Toyota's strengths, though it doesn't claim the top spot in any specific category. This well-roundedness, however, comes at a premium price. The interior is outfitted with modern features, including a large infotainment screen and a digital gauge cluster. The second-row captain seats provide comfort and flexibility, despite the presence of the hybrid battery. The powertrain, featuring a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 paired with a battery and electric motor, produces 437 horsepower and 583 lb-ft of torque. Its on-demand power delivery is complemented by a smooth transition between electric and internal combustion modes. While its unique styling commands attention, the Sequoia TRD Pro offers a comfortable and refined ride on both roads and trails. The off-road capabilities are showcased with features like crawl control, aiding in navigating tough terrain. However, it isn't optimized for extreme off-roading. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Sequoia TRD Pro holds an advantage over its non-electrified competitors, offering impressive city and highway ratings. The TRD Pro trim is positioned as a premium option, emphasizing a balance of capability and style. Although it may not excel in every aspect, it appeals to a growing market segment seeking a well-equipped, attention-grabbing SUV. In comparison with rivals like the Ford Expedition Timberline and Chevy Tahoe Z71, the Sequoia TRD Pro holds its own, boasting competitive torque, ground clearance, and towing capacity. However, its starting price is higher than its American counterparts. While not a value-focused option, the 2023 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro caters to a specific audience seeking a blend of performance, style, and family versatility. Its noteworthy features, hybrid powertrain, and striking design make it a notable choice, as long as potential buyers are comfortable with its attention-grabbing appearance.